Hello, folks. Norm the teacher here with another 3-minute introductory metalworking lesson. In yesterday's video, I showed you the beginning process of boring the hole for my Lazer Light, adapter. And today, I want to show you the actual boring using a boring bar. Now, the boring bar I showed you yesterday was adjustable. There's another type that's fixed, and it's this here. I have a whole set of boring bar bits. I have one mounted in the lathe. The Scotch tape marks how deep I have to go because I don't have a collar that can fit over this. And so I use just a piece of Scotch tape. And it's attached to a device that goes into the dovetail. You know, here's my parting tool, and see the dovetail it fits into? Well, on the other side, there's another dovetail where I can put a boring bar. And so here's what a boring bar looks like that I didn't show you yesterday. Just a shank, and then it has the cutter on the side, and then that cutter or that shank just goes into a hole here that's attached to, maybe, yeah, you can see what the dovetail that it's, and you adjust the height with this here. And so I pretty much have this right at the apex of the stock. And I have to rush here because the sun is just like to show the inside of that hole. And maybe it's too bright for, okay, I'll adjust the brightness here with my hand. Yeah, there you can see the inside of the hole starting to develop there. And it's the cap, the battery cap to this light that's going to go in here. And part of it fits the smaller diameter area, but I want it to be this diameter here and here. And so I have to bore out a little bit more. And I want to show you the starting process of boring. Okay, again, slow and easy. You're with a mini lathe. Maybe that sun's a little bit too bright, but maybe I can work it here. So it's only going to cut about 4/1000 here. And there it goes. It's starting to cut. And you just keep going in, and you make a 4/1000 cut, then I pull it back out, and then another 4/1000 cut until that cap to the battery fits in there real snug and tight. Just going slow and easy. This is using